In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments to a file in Box. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to make sure the right people see your message. Start by opening the file you want to discuss. In your Box account, click the file name, and it will launch in Box Preview. This is the viewer that lets you look through the content without downloading it, and it's also where collaboration features like comments live. Give it a moment to load so you can see the tools and panels around the document. Next, look over to the right side of the screen for the activity area. This is where conversations and updates appear for the file. If you don't see it immediately, no worries. Find the comment icon in the top right toolbar. It looks like a speech bubble, and click it to toggle the activity sidebar open. Once it appears, you're in the right place to add your thoughts. At the bottom of that sidebar, you'll find a field labeled Write a Comment. Click inside that box and type your message. Keep it clear and specific so teammates know what you're referring to. If it helps, mention the page or section you're discussing, since comments are tied to the whole file preview rather than a specific highlight unless you're using annotations. You can use this space for quick feedback, questions, or to track decisions made about the file. If you want to make sure someone sees your note, tag them directly. Type the @char symbol followed by their name, then choose the correct person from the list of collaborators that appears. This ensures they're notified and can jump straight into the conversation. Tagging is optional, but it's a great way to get timely input and keep the thread organized by who's responsible. When your message looks good, click Post, sometimes labeled Add Comment, to save it. Your comment will appear in the activity feed for that file, and anyone with access can view it. If you tagged a collaborator, they'll receive a notification so nothing slips through the cracks. After posting, you can usually hover over your comment to see options to edit or delete it if you need to make a quick correction. That's all it takes. Open the file in Preview, show the activity sidebar, type your message, tag a collaborator if needed, and post. With these steps, you'll keep feedback centralized, visible, and easy to follow for everyone working on the file.